Hi, my name is Lars. This is my wife Anna.
Hello.
We are on board Jeanneau 49, year 2007, and we are in west coast Sweden, an island called Tjörn, where our home port is. We have owned this boat since 2014 and sailed with her in Turkey, in Italy, in Greece and in Croatia. The past years have been in Croatia, where I guess we liked it most, with all the islands, and our long trips with this one we have seen it's a very sea safe vessel, and we can definitely recommend her as even shorter trips, but definitely for the longer trips. And we have really had many enjoyable years through the time. Or what do you say?
Yes, absolutely, and it's easy to manage just for you and me.
Yeah.
So it has been a very good boat to sail for two people.
And we have been out with full crew and guests, and just me and Anna, and that had worked perfectly. My wife is very good at handling ropes and anchoring and all that, so we managed. And now we have taken the boat to Sweden because we feel that we want to go ahead with our retirement, and it's time for a new owner, and that's what we hope to establish here. Anything else to say?
No, it's a lot of space to enjoy. You can have a lot of sunbeds on deck here, and yes, it's plenty of space. Very easy to anchor, to handle the anchor.
And the best area on the boat, I will say, is the cockpit back there, with a table and big nice benches. And that was in general, without question, that the things that we enjoy most. And we are very glad for that it is a 2007 model, because that's the last one of the strong constructed ones. Now we are in the cockpit, and here, as you can see, is a nice combination of table and storage. And this area is fantastic during nice weather and entertainment around in the evenings and during the days. In the South Mediterranean, of course, the Bimini is helping us protecting from the sun, but this area we really think is a good place on the boat. This version has 4 cabin version with 4 toilet and shower to the cabins, and that is also something that we appreciate very much, especially when you have friends with you and so on, that they get their own heads per couple or per friends. Now we are in the Saloon, where the galley is over here, and eating facility. This table is also possible to sink a little bit, so it could be a double bed. The mattresses and stuff exist, so it's just to lower it down. Over at the other side is the instruments, VHF, and the shore power connection display. Navigation table with some logbooks and sea charts inside. These days mostly everything goes through the plotter, and radar back in the cockpit, but in bad weather it's nice to have your computer. And aft there we have starboard port side aft cabin with its own toilet and shower. And more or less the same cabin on starboard side with toilet and shower. And forward is two cabins identical with a bed and toilet and shower.
And what can you tell us about the engine?
It is an Yanmar 75 horsepower, which we have installed in 2017, and it's run a little bit more than 3,000 hours. Runs great.
And easy to access for service and oil change and maintenance.
It is done each year with change of filter, lube oil and other services.
Did you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below.